It is Tony for winter update, weather update.
And I'm Natalie. And I guess I'll be starting off um, showing some of our upgrades. So the first thing that we did is we made it so that the user can change the units from Fahrenheit to Celsius by using this switch component here. So when you toggle the switch, it'll go back and forth between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And to do this, we um, we had to change um, or we had to remove units imperial from our API call because that was returning it in Fahrenheit by default. So it's actually returning in Kelvin right now, but we made it so that it would convert the units depending on whether the switch is returning true or false. The next thing that we did was we made it so that you can search for the weather by city name or zip code. Um, this was a pretty difficult upgrade, but it was a good one because um, most people will know like the zip code in their area, but if they want to search the weather in other areas, they won't know the zip code. So right now I'm on San Francisco, but if I search San Jose, we got San Jose, or I guess I don't know any zip codes except for my own. So we've got Cupertino, then 95118, which is the zip code in San Jose. We get San Jose. So to do this, we had to change the keyboard type in the search bar from just numbers or a keypad to default, which will take in numbers and letters as a string. So then we could uh, forget where
I can do.
yeah, okay. I don't know where it is.
So that will be on this. Uh, Usually is on the. It's still in the weather API. So when we type in the
Oh,
suffix, like the zip code, for example, like the recent search list part, we will enter. We'll make sure if this is a number. If this is a number, then will become the zip code, and then the API which we change into this. But if we put in a city name, so that will do the city name as the Q equals for the API, and that will be for my part. So we're not, and that will go to the page where you want. Okay. What else will you want to talk? Explaining the code.
um, that's pretty much it. I mean, we had to
Oh,
find a function that would check if zip code or the value stored in zip code was valid as a number. So that took some research, but in the end, we found it. Um, Tony, if you want to talk about the clear recent.
yeah. So we also add another one, so we can clear the recent search. So when we do that, recent search will be gone, and for that will be on the search.js. I include a functions which is the clear the X in storage, and that will call from the recent search, delete recent search, so that returns the X in storage clear in the search bar here. So when we press clear recent, then all the data that we have will be deleted. Yep, and pretty much that's it, right?
Yep,
Okay.
that's our upgrades.